dysfunctional vet. If you watched my film called Tree Logic, this is the base. No, leave it. No, leave it alone. My dogs are trying to kill a lizard. I had to save it. All right, if you saw my film Tree Logic, this is the base of the tree that I hooked onto in order to pull the other tree out, like Velcro, if you remember that. Got to rescue a lizard again. No, leave it. Anyway, this is the base of the tree, and I'm pulling the rest of the tree out. I want to show you how I stage all this good stuff up so it makes it easy to grab onto it and bring it over to the mill. At this moment in time, I have this piece on the sawmill, and I'm cutting shingles out of it, and I'll show you those real quick. This right here is for storing gasoline. It has shelves on the other side. This wood that you see here is not good. It is not structurally sound. In fact, some of it is even rotted, but that's okay. It's shingles, and it's been treated well with a wood preservative, and if I get 10 years out of it or 15 years out of it, it's more than served its purpose. As you can see, I have the log suspended by chain. The cable on here is loose. It's not supporting anything. I'm going to pick the log up with the hook, undo the chain, drop the log to the ground, and then I'll be rolling it out of the way with the cant hook. That is done with a quality cant hook. Don't buy cheap. They're going to run you at least $100. The company that makes this is Dixie, and that's the only, well, Dixie, Indiana. Anyway, this is the real deal. This was given to me by a friend, and I didn't realize how much he was helping me until I learned how to use it. Dysfunctional Vet out.